Hey guys, it's Evelyn again and welcome to today's video. So in today's video, we'll be making spicy bacon or peppered bacon, if that's what you prefer to call it. And trust me guys, you're gonna love this recipe. So sit back and let's start cooking. I know we have peppered goat meat, peppered beef, and even peppered chicken, but today I decided to make something slightly different. And for that, we'll be needing some bacon, diced green, yellow, and red bell peppers, some vegetable oil, some chopped onion, 2 red bell peppers, half of an onion, habanero pepper, and 3 green chili peppers, which we'll be grating in a blender. And for my seasoning, I'll be using some thyme, curry, black pepper, and seasoning cubes. All the ingredients will be listed in the description box. I'll just like to add that if you can't withstand the heat, please feel free to modify this recipe according to your taste. I'll start by grating my red bell peppers, habanero peppers, green chili peppers, and onion. Then I'll just add in a little water and I'll grate. This is exactly the consistency we're looking for. I'll just set this aside. In a saucepan, I'll add in my bacon and I'll stir them until they are nicely fried. But you don't want to fry them until they become too dry. Once they are ready, I'll take them out and add in some onions and let them fry for about a minute before adding my diced bell peppers. And I'll let this fry for about 3 minutes, and that's because I want them to retain their crunchy texture and soak up all the oil from the bacon. Once that is cooked, I'll just take them out of the saucepan . Then add some vegetable oil, which I'll be using to fry the grated peppers. I'll just keep stirring for about 5 minutes. Then I'll add my spices and seasoning cubes and mix that all up. After which I'll add my diced bell peppers, which I fried earlier. Then I'll add my bacon. I'll mix this up properly and your bacon sauce is ready, or if you would like to call it peppered bacon. So this can be eaten as a side dish or can be eaten all by itself with a glass of your favorite drink, and can also be served in gatherings, and trust me, it was really good. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell if you haven't done that already. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it, and be sure to check out my other videos. I'll see you all in my next one.